Hello everybody, welcome back to Prani Gaming. In this episode, as you can see, we are playing Clash Royale. We are continuing the Mega Deck Challenge, and I wanted to ask you a question actually. I should have asked it in the previous video actually. Did you watch the where I uploaded the Castle Crush shots, where I got a legendary from a silver chest? A silver chest, a legendary. I know many people have got it. I've seen them get it. But I have never experienced it. But I wanted a better card. So please like it if you liked it and watch it too. But here we are here to play Clash Royale. So let's just continue this. Again, we defended it well. That push he made. And look at that push on the right side. That's what I've been doing the whole the whole challenge, because it gives a lot of problems to our opponent. He has to think whether to defend this this side or this side. Let's go again then. But that's a great push there. And look at that graveyard there. I think it's a bad position. Yes, I told you. Both the Princess Towers can get some shots, so it's a bad positioning there. Okay, so the Mega Knight is going to get some area damage there. Yes. Come on, Firecracker. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, those Elixir Golems. One is level 10, one is level 9. Look at the damage they're doing, and I activated my King Tower by just giving a tornado to a prince. Okay, so I have to probably give some damage to the Ram Raider. I have no issues because 69. That's 2 less, and we can get it easily. Can the Goblin Barrel do the job? He has the log. Easy. This challenge is so easy. I don't know if I have made it easy, but this is so easy, man. And you have to use this deck. I'm telling you, I think you have to use this deck if you are playing the Mega Deck Challenge, because there are 2 days left in the challenge, and I think you have to use this deck because this is working this is working so well for me. And you can make some changes. You can include the E-Barbs obviously, but I just feel the Royal Ghost is slightly better than the E-Barbs because just of those only in this challenge, because it's double elixir. The E-Barbs is a better card, but I just wanted to obviously experiment with the Royal Ghost, one, and also because it's double elixir, and the opponents can use the all their defenses on the E-Barbs better than in a normal battle where it's not double elixir and they can defend the E-Barbs. It gets so hard to defend the E-Barbs, but over here it's double elixir and their cards, they can cycle their cards faster and defend the E-Barbs even easily. So that's why I'm not doing that. Okay, so good pushes over there. Oh yes, I've got that. And are we going to get the Crown Tower on the right? Oh my god, my battery is low. Okay, no problem. We are going to get that right Crown Tower again. Come on. Come on. Are we going to get the King Tower? I want to finish this game early, and I think maybe I'm not even completely, not even once have I, been there in the game for 3 minutes, which is the whole time. I think I've not been in even that situation. I don't know. If that is the case, you are so dominant, probably it's just unbelievable. Okay, so I'm going to go push with the Prince on the right. Oh, it has a Tesla, but no problem, it doesn't do much. And the P.E.K.K.A. defends the Prince really well. And I'll go Mother Witch. And the back of the P.E.K.K.A. We're getting the mirror now. You know what I'm going to do? No question about it. That's there. Look at that. So we are going to finish it here again. I have not gone for the, I've not been in the battle for the whole 3 minutes. That's the proof. We are going to finish it with probably what 34 seconds. Easy, easy, easy. This is such a good deck, and this challenge is probably even an arena 1 player can play with this deck so easily. That's joke. Because their cards will be less than level 9, that's for sure. Okay, so we get some gold there, and 25 rare wild cards is the next reward. And come on. And the mini P.E.K.K.A, that's the most important reward for the mini P.E.K.K.A because you know what it's going to give. So we don't have the wall breakers with the skeleton barrel. We have the goblin barrel which also works well. Yes, good damage over there. Now Valkyrie and the wizard is a good attack. It's a good push, but we can defend it too. Oh my god, this is a big push now. This is a dangerous push. There. Valkyrie Wizard was okay, it's easy, but this push he's doing over there is a massive one, and I want the E-Giant. Oh my god, look at what it does, man. That's why it is one of the best cards in the game. Look at how easy it defends these cards. Okay, I'm going to go Tesla here and just, the Tesla is not going to stay there, but it is going to get the Inferno Dragon, yes. I'm going to push P.E.K.K.A from the back. Oh my god, he's going to get them. I think he's going to get the tower itself. Hog Loon, I'll call it. Hog and Balloon. Hog Rider and the Balloon. Oh my god. It's a deadly attack. If you have an Evis or an Inferno Dragon at that time, it's not going to be that dominant. But if you have... Oh my god, a skeleton army. Can we get some hogs out of this? Not many. P.E.K.K.A was there. So probably this is going to be our first loss. Pull it back. Pull it back. Oh, look at that. The P.E.K.K.A. Another thing about the P.E.K.K.A, it doesn't, it will not be pulled to the center most of the times because it's so strong. It's so fat and chunk and all those stuff. And remember another thing about the P.E.K.K.A, it is a female. So you should never call it he, you should call it it, or you have to call it she. So I have not called it he until now, I think so. Okay, let's go. 2 wall breakers, just 1 I think, I'm not sure. But I think the possibilities of us winning this game is very low. Come on, Firecracker. Yes, the P.E.K.K.A is gone, so I had the Tesla this time and another counter to, which is another counter to the Great Balloon. Firecracker is gone. Royal Ghost struggled a lot there. The Ice Wiz also is a great card, man, but not many people use it. Now it's just starting to use. The people are starting to use more, and probably now this is a loss. I know it, but I think this is the loss. The first time probably we are playing a full game of 3 minutes for the first time. I think, I'm not sure. Okay, now then, we have to win this. We can't lose 2 in a row. When before the first loss we didn't even lose 1, and how can we lose 2 in a row? That doesn't show up. That shows that this deck is not going to be good if we lose this game. I'm telling you. Okay, Mega Knight from the back, always a good push. Come on, now this is what I'm doing again. Another tactic to counter the Mega Knight. You get the Mega Knight to the Tesla or any building you have in your deck, and then when you have the Mega Knight from the back, then the Mega Knight is going to be attacking that building over there. The Mega Knight which you have sent from the back is going to get your opponent's Mega Knight, and it's so easy because the Mega Knight deals area damage. So yes, that's why it's a great card. Come on, Princey. Okay, now it does a great job. But now this is where you have to be really careful. It's the Golem. And I have to use the Mother Witch on the left lane. I have to ignore the skeletons because We have to defend the golem, man. And I'm going to just arrow that princess. I don't want it to stay. It irritates a lot. Plus, it's so dangerous too. So, yeah, it is a good card as well. You have to, when you get a chance to get the princess, you have to take it. You can't go away from that plan, or you have to use that plan. Okay. Now both the wall breakers get to the left crown tower. Oh, sorry, the right. But we have got that left crown tower already. Okay. Previous, come on. Now another push. Skeleton barrel push. So I just wanted Mini P.E.K.K.A to enjoy its hits on the elixir golem, where yes, the princess is going to finish off the Mini P.E.K.K.A. So we are defending real good, guys, here. This is really good defense. And that's why I'm preferring this deck, and that's why I'm recommending this deck to you guys as well, because this deck is working so very well. Again, the Mega Knight from the back. You can use the Mega Knight as a defense or as an attack as well, so it's no problem how you use the Mega Knight. Okay, I just wanted Evis to go here, or else the golem is going to cause a heck lot of problems. Yes, the prince does a great job there. It's not a hugely recognized job, but it does such a great job. You have to look at that and you have to appreciate the prince there, because probably that it's just won the game for us here. Okay, Goblin Barrel does a great job. Get some hogs and win the game, Franny. Oh, yes. Again, the second time we have gone and we have played the whole battle 3 minutes. But this is a different result. And this deck, again, as I said earlier, if it loses, it is a deck which is not the best. It's inconsistent, but it is consistent. Okay, the Mini P.E.K.K.A, 24 cards to be maxed out. Why I'm saying maxed out is it's going to be level 12, but we have the rare book of cards. And we are going to use it on the Mini P.E.K.K.A and we are doing it all this next season, mind you. Okay, P.E.K.K.A from the back. This is a strategy which I have followed in the battles, but recently, if I have to say a thing to you, I'm not using the P.E.K.K.A many times, because the E-Giant has been so good. Okay. Yes, we have to defend this now. It's quite a big task, man. The Firecracker is doing quite a good job there for us. But I just wanted to be protected all times. Oh my god, the E-Giant now. I didn't want that card now. It's so dangerous, man. Come on, get it. I don't have the Tornado. I could have pulled it back and helped the Inferno Dragon, but can't do it now. I have to get 2 Inferno Dragons, and now I can't use the Wall Breakers too because the Wizard is over there. They're in some danger now. Luckily, he defended Giant Skeleton well. And I've been using the Giant Skeleton as well, mind you. Okay, let's go Mother Witch on the back. Okay. Okay, I want those bats to go away. Come on, we need some elixir here. Actually, it's not so necessary, but sometimes we need it. And look at how we have defended the RG there. You know what's an RG, right? It has to be the Royal Giant. Okay. Now the P.E.K.K.A is going to be transformed into a hog by none other than the Great Mother Witch. Yes, the Royal Ghost plus Mega Knight plus P.E.K.K.A wins the game. Yes, boys. Come on. 3 crown win again, and I have not played the full battle yet. So more gold, 7,500 gold, and what a way to end this episode, guys. That's it for this one. We are going to come back where we'll finish this challenge, and it's been a great challenge. Probably the easiest I've played in Clash Royale. And yes, I'm going to see you then. Subscribe to our channel and like this video if you liked it. I'll see you then. Until then, goodbye.